This is the Genie Runabout GR15.
Those who intend to use any machine with characteristics of weight, height, width, length or complexity which differ significantly to the training they have received should ensure that they receive a familiarisation to cover the differences. It is the employer's responsibility to ensure that all operators using equipment are adequately trained and familiarised to comply with current health and safety legislation. Machine-specific familiarisation should follow on from basic training and cover the manufacturer's instructions and warnings, features of the specific model, control functions, safety devices and emergency lowering procedures. All of the above are to be found in the operator's manual supplied with the machine.
Maximum working height of 6.3 metres. Maximum platform height 4.47 metres. Maximum stowed height 1.57 metres. Maximum capacity in the platform 227 kilograms or 500 pounds. Maximum wind speed 28 miles per hour or 12.5 meters per second. Maximum occupants in the platform is one person.
Always ensure that you carry out a pre-use inspection of the machine in accordance with any training that you have received.
When carrying out your pre-use check and function check, always ensure that the area is firm, level and free of any obstructions. If in doubt, stop and report to your supervisor or foreman to have the machine moved to a different location.
Identify the thorough examination plate and ensure that the machine is in date. Locate the manufacturer's data plate and ensure that serial number corresponds with the thorough examination serial number.
You must follow the step-by-step instructions to test all machine functions. A malfunctioning machine must never be used.
If you do find a fault, isolate, tag and report the machine. Do not attempt any repairs to the machine. Ensure that any pins, retainers are in good condition and fully secure. Check the condition of welds to ensure that there is no damage or cracks on welds.
The type of tyre fitted to the machine is a solid non-marking tyre.
Before carrying out any work on batteries, ensure that you are wearing the correct personal protective equipment in accordance with any risk assessment and safe system of work.
To isolate the batteries, disconnect the Anderson plug. To enable the batteries, connect the Anderson plugs together. Raise the platform approximately 1.5 metres, open the battery cover and rest the cover against the chassis. Lower the platform until the mast just contacts the battery cover. Turn the key switch to the off position. Be sure that the battery cable connections are tight and free of corrosion. To reinstall the battery cover, raise the platform and lower the cover back down onto the chassis. The MEWP should be used on a firm, level surface. To check the maximum side slope rating of your MEWP, refer to your operator's manual.
Hydraulic ramping. Your machine may have hydraulic ramping built into it by design. This means that the machine may not stop immediately when a controller is released.
Ground control panel. This consists of a circuit breaker, key switch for platform off and ground selection, hour meter, platform up and down toggle switch and red emergency stop button. The platform controls red emergency stop button, LED diagnostic readout and battery charge indicator, lift function select button, horn button, proportional control handle and function enable switch for lift and drive functions, thumb rocker switch for steer functions, drive speed button and drive function select button. Wander leading or dog walking. It may be possible to use the upper control platform when standing on the ground next to the machine. When using the controller in this way, always ensure that the control box is correctly orientated around to the chassis and that you are standing clear of the machine. The function tests are designed to discover any malfunctions before the machine is put into use. Ground base function checks. Pull out the platform and ground red emergency stop buttons to the on position. Turn the key switch to ground control. The diagnostic LED readout on the platform controls should indicate like this. Pushing the ground red emergency stop button to the off position. All functions should not work. Pull out the red emergency stop button. To test the up and down function from the ground, activate the up function. The platform should now raise. Activate the down function. The platform should lower. Please note the descent alarm should sound while the platform is lowering. To test the tilt sensor, perform this test from the ground with the platform controller. At no time attempt to stand into the platform. Ensure that the machine is fully lowered and place a 2x4 or similar piece of wood in front of the wheel on one side of the machine. Press the drive function select button and drive the machine up onto pieces of wood. Press the lift function select button and raise the platform. Before the platform is raised approximately 1 foot or 30 centimeters, the lift function should stop and an alarm should sound. Now press the drive function select button. Attempt to drive in the blue or the yellow direction. As the machine is currently tilted, the machine should not drive in either direction. Lower the platform to the ground and drive the machine off wood. To test the manual or emergency lowering, raise the platform approximately 2 feet, 60 centimeters from the ground. Located at the bottom of the mast, underneath the chassis, is the emergency lowering control. Pull out the emergency lowering control, the mast should lower. Please note the descent alarm will not sound. Turn the key now to platform controls. Climb into the platform and ensure that the gate is fully closed. Push in the platform red emergency stop button. Please note no functions should now operate. To test the horn, pull out the red emergency stop button and push the horn button. To test the function enable switch, do not press the function enable switch on the control handle, but slowly move the control handle in the directions indicated by either the blue or the yellow arrow. No functions should operate. To test the lift and lower functions, press and hold the lift function select button. Now hold the function enable switch on the control handle. Slowly move the control handle in the direction indicated by the blue arrow. This should now allow the platform to raise. Now release the control handle. The platform should stop raising immediately. To lower the platform, press and hold the function enable switch. Slowly move the control handle in the direction indicated by the yellow arrow. The platform should now lower. Please note the descent alarm should sound while the platform is lowering. Testing the steering. When performing the steer and drive function test, stand in the platform facing the steer end of the machine. Press the drive function select switch. The light should now indicate. Press and hold the function enable switch on the control handle and press the thumb rocker switch on the top of the control handle in the direction indicated by the blue and yellow triangles on the control panel. This should now allow the wheels to steer left and right. To test the drive and braking function, press and hold the function enable switch on the control handle. Slowly move the control handle in the direction indicated the blue and the yellow arrow. The machine should drive forward and backwards. Please note this is a proportional control and will respond to your input. With regard to braking, the brakes must be able to hold the machine on any slope it is able to climb. Testing the limited drive speed or elevated drive speed. From inside the platform, press the lift function select button and elevate the machine approximately 2 foot or 60 centimeters from the ground. Now select drive and drive forwards and backwards. The machine's maximum achievable drive speed with the platform raised should not exceed 20 centimeters per second. If the drive speed with the platform raised exceeds 20 centimeters per second, immediately remove the machine from service. Testing the pothole guards. The pothole guards should automatically deploy when the platform is raised. To test the pothole guards, raise the platform. When the platform is raised 4 foot or 1.2 meters from the ground, the pothole guards should deploy. Press on the pothole guards on one side and then the other. The pothole guards should not move. Now lower the platform. The pothole guards should return to the stowed position. Place a 2x4 or similar piece of wood under a pothole guard and raise the platform. Before the platform is raised 7 foot or 2.1 meters from the ground, an alarm should sound and the drive function should not work. Lower the platform to the ground and remove the piece of wood. The Genie GR15 is equipped with a platform extension. To extend the platform, step off the extension deck and using your foot, press down on the foot trigger and push out the extension deck. Please note that with the extension deck extended, this has a reduced working capacity.